Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. And in this video, we're gonna be drawing my favorite animal, cats. First, draw the circle as the head, and then 2 small circles for the eyes, and the nose, and a little cute mouth, just like this, a curve and an out curve. And for the cheeks, we're gonna make it glossy with 2 ovals. Don't forget the whiskers. Start drawing the pointy ears on the left and on the right, and also inside both of the ears. Next, draw 2 front legs, 1 and 2, and then we draw the body. Go down, curve, and on the feet, and then go down and curve. Let's start drawing the back feet just like this, left and right, and don't forget the tail. Let's make the tail just like a wave. And now we trace back and down. Let's make the eyes sparkly. Draw 2 small circles and then bigger one for the pupils. Oh, let's add some pattern for the cat. This is how I make the pattern for my cat. If you want to draw another pattern, it's up to you, or you can just follow the way I do it. And it's done. We are ready to color. Let's color together. Color the pattern orange, and also the tip of the ears, the tail, and also the feet. I'm coloring the eyes green, while for the body, I'm going to use the darkest shade of yellow for the outer part, just like this, going inside. And then the inside part, we're gonna be yellow, but light yellow. Don't forget light yellow for the inner part of the ears also. Then color the nose black and the rosy cheeks. And I'm fixing the color. Fill all the white part that is still there. And now it's done. It's very cute, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.